Assalamu alaikum friends, welcome to Knowledge TV KTV. Today we a new topic, how to say good wishes to a person. So I will teach you 5 different ways how to say good wish to a person. Okay, so the video is very interesting. You must watch till to the end that you might learn the good wishes to a person. So the topic is giving journal good wishes. Giving journal good wishes. This is our topic today. Okay. The first one is what? The first one is all the best. So in this video, you will learn how to say good wish to a person and how you will say, how you will respond to the good wishes. Okay. So you watch the video till to the end. The first is all the best. All the best. It is a journal good wish to a person. If a person is doing something good, so you can say all the best. Okay, if he is attempting a papers or he get a good marks, so you can say all the best. Okay, how you will respond? All the best. It's nice of you. It's nice of you. You can respond in this. For example, the person say all the best of you. Okay, yeah, all the best to you. So you will respond. It's nice of you. Okay. Number second is what? Have a nice luck. Have a nice luck. In Urdu, you can say आपकी किस्मत अच्छी हो. Okay. So, but this is the English class, in conversation class, practice class. So you will learn English in English language, and it is the rules, and it is we call the philosophy of English. If you want to learn English, you must think in English. You will not translate the things in Urdu or in Hindi or in another language. If you want to learn English, you must think in that language. Not only English, if you want Spanish or Chinese language, so you will think in that language. So your English or Hindi or Chinese language will be good. So this is the second, have a nice luck. It is the second saying of good wishes. Okay, and respond you can only say thank you. Okay. Number third is with best wishes. This is the third one to say a journal good wish to a person. So in this, in response, you can say cheers, or you can say thank you, or you can say it's nice of you. These all are responding to good wishes. Okay. Number four is wish best wishes. This is the four way of saying good wish to a person, and this is very best wish best. Okay, let's come to number fifth. My your dreams come true. My your dreams come true. It is a journal wish. If you want a good wish to a person, so you will say in what? You will say, my your dreams come true. Okay, this is very fantastic saying. Okay, so these are the 5 different way of giving journal wishes to a persons, and these are very interesting. If you want to, we can say a flowery language. It is the use of it. So these are the 4 different ways. It's nice of you, simply thank you, or cheers, or Amin. Usually the Muslim people, especially when they are asked, may your dreams come true. A person, for example, say to him, may your dreams come true. So you can say Amin, especially these are Muslim people. Amin. Okay, it may be acceptable to God. So these are the 5 different ways of